How to make and create a business book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple and easy. Just go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for book cover. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options as you can see, but all what you have to do is go right here and scroll down until you find business book cover. Click on see all, choose a template right here, for example this one, and now you can edit all those informations and photos. After you finish editing, all what you have to do is click on here on the share and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.